You've heard of the Marry Me chicken. Well, today we're doing the forget about it pasta. So stick around.
Forget about it. It's like if somebody's the greatest thing in the world, like me, get those peppers. Forget about it.
We had Marry Me chicken, yeah, the dish was a winner. But today we're cooking dinner for the boss of bosses. Buzz Cooks is back with a mafia plate. Forget about it pasta. Yeah, it's that great. So rich, so cheesy, so over the top. This kind of pasta should be illegal. Stop! Forget about it. Forget about it. One bite in, you're talking about it. Creamy, cheesy, mob style. This kind of pasta should be illegal by a mile. Forget about it. Forget about it. One bite in, you're talking about it. Creamy, cheesy, mob style. This kind of pasta.
Alright, so we got our rigatoni in our pot boiling as directed on the box. Once it's done, we're going to use our scoop. And we're just going to take it out and put it into another bowl. Because we can do this ahead of time. So let's say you want to make this dish tomorrow. You can cook the pasta ahead of time, like I did. Throw a little olive oil in there so it doesn't stick. Mix it up. Then I put it in a Ziploc bag. I put it in the refrigerator, and it's ready to go. It saves me time after a long day of work. Same thing with the Italian sausage. If you got extra time the night before, fry up that sausage like I'm going to do. Once it's done, put it into a little bowl, put the lid on it, put it in the fridge with the pasta. Now when you come home from work the next day and you make this amazing dish, half the work is already done. Now it's simple, easy, the way we like things. So, 1 pound hot Italian sausage for me. You can use mild if you don't like hot. Brown it up and put it in that bowl till the next day. Now we're going to fast forward to the next day because it's magic on videos. And we're going to get a large skillet out. Stainless steel on my end. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter, tablespoon and a half of olive oil, medium-low heat, and just let that melt down. And I've got a half a shallot diced up and a half a white onion diced up. Going to throw that right into that skillet. Start to cook those down a little bit. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to them. There we go. And we'll mix that up. And once we get those peppers and shallots a little translucent, a little soft, we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, which I've already minced up. And throw that right in the pan with those onions and shallots. And you know the drill. As soon as you start to smell that garlic, you got to capture it. Don't let it escape. And the best way to capture it is with liquid. So we're going to come back with some vermouth. You can use white wine. You can use chicken broth. I like either white wine or vermouth. It adds a little bolder flavor. It's all up to you though. So we're going to do that next, just like so. And we'll give that another mix and let that cook down a little bit. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. We put one out every Wednesday and every Sunday. All right, we're going to add another tablespoon of butter. Let that melt in. And then we're going to come back with some heavy whipping cream or half and half, whatever you have on handy. And we'll add about a half a cup of that. And then give another good mix. And our next ingredient is going to be sun-dried tomatoes. I bought the package that's julienne, no oil, just the dried tomatoes. You don't want to add the sun-dried tomatoes that are packaged in oil. There we go. That's what you want right there. And then next we're going to come back with baby spinach. A couple of good handfuls of baby spinach. Looks like a lot, but once it starts to wilt down and cook, it's really not. So we'll get that in there. Give a little mixy. Yeah, this is coming together nice. The flavors on this are amazing, I'm telling you. It has everything you can imagine in there. Alright, I like to add a little bit of red pepper flake, bring it up a little notch. Again, it's up to you and your flavor profile. Next, we're going to come back with our Italian sausage. And we'll put that sausage in there and get that reheated up nice. And the beauty about this is you worked all day, you come home, you only got one pan to clean. You know, you serve up, you feed the whole family. How beautiful is that? Now we're going to add a little pasta at a time. And reintroduce that. Give it a good mix. And that'll heat up. And the last thing we're going to add to this dish is some tomato paste. I couldn't think for a second there. I had a brain freeze. So a couple squirts of that tomato paste in there. Mix it up. And again, you are all set. Let's let that simmer down and thicken a little bit. Serve it. Top it off with some Parmesan cheese on top. And your crew is going to love this new dish. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Buzz Cooks is back with a mafia plate. Forget about it, pasta. Yeah, it's that great. So rich, so cheesy, so over the top. This kind of pasta should be illegal. Stop! Forget about it. Forget about it. One bite in, you're talking about it. Creamy, cheesy, mothball style. This kind of pasta should be illegal by a mile. Forget about it. Forget about it. One bite in, you're talking about it. Creamy, cheesy, mothball style. This kind of pasta should be illegal by a mile. Like, share, subscribe. Join the crew. Buzz Cooks got more coming through. New video Sunday and Wednesday night. Hit that bell. Let's cook it right. Rigatoni boiling, that's the mob's first choice. Big tubes hold the sauce. Hear that voice? Brown that sausage, 1 full pound. Spicy like Vinny when the heat's around. Pull it out. Don't crowd the pan. Butter, olive oil, now we got a plan. Onions, shallots, let them go slow. Garlic hits the pan, now we run the show. Forget about it. Hey. Forget about it. Hey. Cream sauce dripping. Dream about it. Sun-dried tomatoes, basil rain. One more bite, you're hooked again. Hit it with wine, let it deglaze. Scrape that flavor, old school ways. Sun-dried tomatoes join the scene. Then comes a pour of heavy cream. Bring it up to a gentle boil. Spinach in, let it coil. Sausage back, reunion time. Now that sauce is running prime.